Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to be making these lovely holiday cards. Together is the merriest place to be, and thinking of you this festive season. And I use the Merriest Moments stamp set with the coordinating Merriest Frames Hybrid Embossing Folder and Merriest Frames dies. So these are the dies. And this is the folder, and depending on how you use the folder, you can get a variety of different cuts. So this is just a piece of cardstock stuck into the folder. Then if you use this die, you'll get this cut out. And then if you use this outline, which will actually fit inside, let's see if I can get this. There we go. It snaps right in. You can hear it when it snaps in here. And then you place your piece of paper on top of here and run it through like you normally would. You would get both the embossing and the cutting. Isn't that beautiful? That's what we're going to use today. So let's get started. So let me get my items out of the way. We'll set these aside, and we'll start with the basics. The card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and you want 2 pieces of basic white and red, real red, same size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/4 for both of those for layering. Let's go ahead and fold the card base. In this piece, I thought it'd be neat to use another die, so either the dots and spots die or the stitch Greenery. So I went ahead and did the stitch Greenery first. So this is really a nice way to give a different layer. So I'm going to grab the Stampin' Seal. And adhere it to the card base. And then run this piece with, again, the hybrid folder with the outline die. And this is what you get. So I'm going to take the outside off here. And that'll get her. And I thought it'd be cool if we just popped it up with some dimensionals. So let me grab those. So put a few here. Don't forget the middle so it doesn't droop. And let's see. There you go. And then one of the other dies that are included in the set is a stitched one that fits right in the middle there. So we're going to stamp Together is the Merriest Place to Be. Isn't that lovely? And a little Stampin' Seal on the back of that one. Get that started. There we go. And then for the bow, we have some gold, let me see what it's called, gold shimmer ribbon. And I'm just going to quickly, it's about 10 inches, I'll quickly tie it. What I do is I do 2 loops, and then I cross them, and then I stick it through the loop and hold on to one end tight while I tighten the other one. Oops. Let's try that again. Cross it through the loop, hold tight on this one as you tighten it. Keep tightening until you get the bow you want. Even out the loops. There you go. Then you get a glue dot. Stick it on there. Top or bottom? Let's do the top this time. And there you go. Really simple and easy card. And if you like more of these video tutorials, please like, share, or comment on the videos, and be sure to subscribe to get more of them. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.